Time to pick a winner for our 20K giveaway. Oh yeah, gotta love the Coke Zero, guys. Sometimes you just gotta indulge. Coke Zero is better than Coke. Tell me otherwise in the comments. Welcome back to Everyday Minimalist. My name is Brandon, and I hope you're having a fantastic day. In this video, we're gonna be announcing the 2 winners for the Dual Work Sharp Sharpener Precision Adjust Sharpening Kits, as well as the Benchmade Mini Adamus and ProTech Malibu. Guys, I'm super excited to be able to give away these items to the community that we've established here on YouTube. And in matter of fact, again, this was for a 20,000 subscriber giveaway. We are now about to breach 75,000 subscribers. And I appreciate every single one of you guys. I didn't expect it to blow up this fast within a 2-week duration, but I guess you guys are enjoying the content. And thank you so much for every one of you guys that have participated. And don't worry, if you guys don't win this giveaway, there is gonna be an absolutely massive giveaway coming here in the holiday season. And just to kind of give you guys a little bit of a teaser, I've partnered up with Urban EDC Supply for the next giveaway, and it's gonna be crazy. It's gonna blow out of the water with any other giveaways that I've ever done on this channel. So I've kept you guys waiting. Let's go ahead and announce the winners. To give you guys a little bit of a rundown on how I selected the winners, I basically took the comments in the comment section of the giveaway video and threw it into a random comment picker. I then hit play and then it selected 2 winners, so that's who we're gonna announce today. So first up, we have the first winner that won the ProTech Malibu as well as the Precision Adjust Sharpening Kit. So you'll be getting both of these in one package. And congratulations to Kevin at Rip City EDC for commenting and winning this awesome set, man. I hope you really like it and put these products to good use. These will be sent out to you next week. And next we have the Benchmade Mini Adamus along with another Precision Adjust kit. Congratulations to Sydney at msydney28. You are now the proud owner of a brand new Benchmade Mini Adamus as well as this awesome sharpening kit. Again, I hope you really enjoy this setup. I absolutely adore the Mini Adamus and I think you're gonna love it as well. So now that we've announced the winners, again, thank you so much for everyone that participated in the giveaway. And stay tuned for the next upcoming giveaway. It's going to be the biggest one yet, I promise. Before I let you guys go, I just want to give you a quick rundown of our next video. We're going to be talking about these Send Cut knives. They're only about 30 to 40 bucks and I am really impressed. And cheers to 74,000 of you guys subscribing to this channel. Hopefully we can break 100K within the end of the year and I'll be bringing you guys the best content that I can possibly produce. Thank you guys so much for spending your time with me today. We'll catch you on the next one. Peace out. Wow, you stayed until the end of the video. What knife should I give away next?